Hi, I'm Derek Houston of Houston Travel Marketing Services, the organisers of the Spotlight Virtual Travel Expo. I'm now going to give you a short explanation of how a virtual Spotlight Expo actually works. Basically, it is an expo or workshop held online on your laptop, a sort of big Zoom meeting. Spotlight in East Africa Virtual Travel Expo is, in a nutshell, a B2B virtual experience with pre-scheduled appointments with key buyers of East African products from overseas countries as well as the travel trade from the rest of Africa. Spotlight in East Africa specifically focuses on promoting East African countries, so only hotels, resorts, safari lodges, inbound tour operators, etc., from East African countries, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi, will be allowed to exhibit. So what actually happens during a Spotlight Virtual Expo? Firstly, all the exhibitors have a virtual booth or stand. We upload your videos, photos and presentations, fact sheets, itineraries, and all the information on your company's activities. We also upload onto your booth the picture and profile of your representative, the person who will be conducting the meetings with buyers. Additional representatives can be requested if required at a cost of $40. Who will be the buyers you can meet? For Spotlight and East Africa Virtual, we will be inviting buyers representing overseas tour operators and wholesalers who sell East Africa. Also buyers from South Africa and the rest of Africa who sell outbound tours into East African countries. ATA are supporting Spotlight Virtual East Africa, and all ATA tour operator members from the UK, Europe, Americas, etc. will be invited to register to attend. We will constantly promote the East Africa Virtual Expo by email campaigns to our buyers' databases, social media campaigns, press and newsletter advertising, trade association advertising, and website promotion through our media sponsors. So how can you view the buyers? You'll be able to click on the Buyers tab on the dashboard and view all the registered buyers and click on them and see who they are, where they're from, and what products in East African countries they promote. Each exhibitor has 48 meeting slots during the day. These 15-minute meetings are scheduled for the duration of the show. An early start to allow Asian Pacific buyers to attend, and also a late ending, so it will be convenient for American buyers to participate. We also normally have an overflow day the next day for any missed or last-minute meetings. The meeting scheduling process opens 7 days before the event on 17 February. Exhibitors can request meetings with buyers and other exhibitors, but buyers can only request appointments with exhibitors. The meetings function isn't the only place you can promote your product. We also have the event feed, where you can post images, videos, and text messages, as well as introduction messages to encourage buyers to seek you out and make appointments. For $50, you can also have a scrolling banner. This banner scrolls throughout the expo, all 18 hours, and will appear about every 3 or 4 minutes. It can be linked directly to your exhibitor booth, which again encourages buyers to meet with you. Once you sign up, Kevin and I will help you upload all your info onto your booth and guide you through the whole technical process. So this is basically how you will participate at Spotlight Virtual East Africa Travel Expo. I hope this video has given you a quick overview on how it all works. You will find a lot more detailed information on Spotlight Virtual Travel Expo on our website, www.houstonmarketing.co.za. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll decide to participate at Spotlight on East Africa Virtual Travel Expo on 24 February.